what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, staying safe, staying indoor. So guys, as we all are in lockdown, we are hardly stepping out, and once in a while we just go out for grocery shopping. So I just thought that why not to play some dress up and apply some makeup even if we are stepping out just for the grocery. In today's video, I'll be showing you what kind of makeup you should wear under your mask. So without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. And yes guys, this video is in collaboration with Foxy, which is an e-commerce platform to shop beauty and makeup products. So all the products which I'll be recommending in this tutorial are available on Foxy, so you can definitely check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I'm uploading a new video. So let's get started. I always like to start with applying my skincare products, cause to achieve even base you need to prep your skin properly. This also helps to protect your skin from makeup. Make sure you are applying good amount of SPF 25 or higher before stepping out to protect your skin from sun damage. Apply a generous amount on face and neck and massage properly. I'm using a sunscreen recommended by my dermatologist. As we are just stepping out for grocery, I'm going to apply very little amount of foundation, just a thin layer to even out my skin tone. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in shade Sun Beige, which is very light in weight and also waterproof. That will make sure that my makeup won't budge throughout the day and it will stay put because of the humid and hot weather condition. I just apply in dots and blend it with the help of a beauty blender. I evenly spread out the foundation throughout my face with the help of my finger and apply it in dots. Make sure to use a damp beauty blender. It will set the foundation evenly. Always dab in your foundation the wet beauty blender because that will help you to set the foundation into your skin. If you take a lot of time in setting your base properly, you need not to apply a lot of foundation or even a concealer. As this is a makeup under mask, we are only going to highlight our eyes. I like to brush my eyebrows to kind of set it before filling it with any products. Now I'm taking my Makeup Forever brow kit and dip your spoolie in the brow gel and set your eyebrows in upward direction. This will make sure to get the natural shape of your brows. After that, I'm taking an angle brush and I'm going in with ash brown shade from the kit and just filling the gap in my eyebrows. I like to keep my eyebrows thick and follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. You can clearly see how eyebrows can instantly change your looks. Off the camera, I have also set my second eyebrow and we are done with it. As the idea is to keep it very minimal and just highlight your eyes, I'm going to add some flush of colors on my eyelid to kind of highlight that area. I'm using Sugar Cosmetics blush to add some pop of color to my eyelid. I have taken a big fluffy blending brush by Sigma, which is in number E40, and I'm just applying the blush into my crease and all over the eyelid, nothing crazy. Keep on adding the color till you achieve the desired results, and it has created a nice flush of color on your eyelid. After that, I'm going in with the same color to apply it on my cheeks to kind of connect my entire face. The blush shade name is Salmon Superstar. This is by Sugar Cosmetics. I love blush and I like to apply it a lot of it. I like to apply it on my nose as well to kind of connect the area. Now I'm using Maybelline Colossal Liner to create a winged eyeliner. I like to start from the middle and go towards the outer corner to create a wing and then connect it with the inner corner. I have also created a tutorial on how to apply perfect winged eyeliner. If you have not checked it out, I will add the link in the description down below for you guys. I really like this pen eyeliner because it is easy to use and you can definitely control it with your hand. And wing eyeliner is quite tricky if you are a beginner, especially because if you are not matching both the eyes, it will look kind of off. So you can always practice it by watching the tutorial. To make the look more dramatic, I'm further going to line my upper waterline with Maybelline Tattoo Eyeliner. This is very budget friendly, again waterproof, smudge proof, very intense eyeliner. It will make your eye look more dramatic and it will make your eyes kind of stand out from your entire face. Of course, this look will not be complete without adding a mascara, and adding mascara will further amplifies the drama. I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, which is again smudge proof, waterproof, and this gives an effect of false eyelashes. Moving on to the next step, as we are going to wear a face mask, we need to apply a lipstick which is completely smudge proof or transfer proof. That's why I'm going in with my Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick in shade Tan Femme. This is such a gorgeous neutral nude lipstick, and once you apply it on your lips, it completely turns into matte lipstick. The last and the final step is to highlight your inner corner of the eyes and your brow bone. So to highlight it, I'm using a smoky eye pencil and I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and just adding a pop of highlighter in the inner corner of my eye, and also I'm highlighting my brow bone to just kind of make my eye stand out. Now I'm also taking a small powder brush and highlighting the high point of my cheeks. So I'm going in again with the same highlighter, which is Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm just applying it on the high point of my cheeks, forehead, and also on the bridge of my nose. So that's it guys, this is how the makeup under mask look turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope you like this very subtle glam expressive eye makeup look, and I'm really happy how it turned out. So I'm quickly going to put on my mask and I'll be heading out for my grocery shopping.